It's Chinese and
Weird.
yeah, look at Siri too.
And you're gonna cut them down now? You're gonna actually video the cutting of the bees here?
Ah! Big ball of bees.
It's crazy loud. It's cool, like how little they actually bother you. It's like they're just doing their thing. You don't get in their face. They don't get in your face.
So I guess I'll try cutting off this thing first.
Yeah, cut off the big end of the branch first.
Yeah, I guess so.
You maybe should cut a bit higher up. No? Okay. It's like you're dangerously close to the bee there. This makes okay. Maybe thinner higher up is also okay. Yep.
Whoa.
There we go. Not gonna be pretty thick now.
Let them settle down for a little bit.
Just smoke them.
No.
Sure?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. So this is where I have to. Oh shit. The blade as I am with this fucking ball of thousands of bees right in front of my face. Oh shit!
Whoa!
Whoa! Smoke?
No.
Back away from the bees.
Oh, I hope the queen's in there.
Oh, they are not pleased.
I think they're okay. There you go, little buddies. Oh.
Hi. Hi.
There you go.
Nice! Good work, Carlos.
Well
Got
done.
So we think all
It's
the
just
bees
that
can
easy,
just go
folks.
over there?
Hopefully, let's see what happens.
And just wait for a little while. So you sure I shouldn't smoke them?
I'm hoping those ones will go over here, like. Oh, over there. Branch, the main cluster of the branch. I think those ones might just go over.
Because they like to cluster around the queen, so the main cluster of the branch is probably in there.
Yeah, that's what I'm hoping. There's a lot of bees. Oh, but they're collecting again on the branch. Yeah, I was thinking maybe we should put the top. It's pretty exciting stuff.
No. Oh, that would be awesome.
Although this hive isn't producing any yet, but we will see it, so.
Some dead bees in the foam.
Yeah, we still have like time from the other hive, right?
Yeah.
It's happening pretty quickly when we
Reclustering there.
over there.
I guess I could get a sheet or something, like these cardboard, and then brush them on or something. Hard to know what to do.
Yeah, exactly. It's really helping to have these micro figures and variations. Yeah, these are helping. blackberries coming out of the comb and everything. Like it's fully like
Okay.
super yucky looking.
Trick with the box again.
Yep.
They've moved one into a box to a hive, and now they're moving into the second swarm.
Okay, there, you little
So, anyways,
little buggers. Okay, try that. Now we're almost. There's still one cluster on the thing, but I'm pretty sure we got. Yeah.
So should we just leave this now?
I guess we could. I could go get the super and then come back.
Or you know what we could do, Thomas?
Yeah.
I don't know how to use it. We could wait on the super and then use that super to start a new box.
I think we should super that one and go.
Sand because there's not a lot of room in there.
This should be
Mix
good.
that and then put it in a jar with holes in the lid, upside down, in like a dish, so
Right.
as they drink it, it kind of flows out.
Right.
I might. I've got one of those feeders over there. I'll probably set it up and then bring it over here for these guys.
Because it would make a bigger bang.